What if I told you the ultimate piece of Porsche history was up for grabs right now? We're talking about a 1964 Porsche 356C Coupe, the final chapter before the legendary 911 stormed the world. This isn't just a car, it's a time machine on four wheels. The 356C was the first in its bloodline to get four-wheel disc brakes, turning a delicate vintage sports car into a street-legal weapon. And this example? It's a survivor with under 50,000 miles, Porsche's certificate of authenticity, and a restoration that makes it look like Stuttgart just rolled it out yesterday. It still carries its factory 1.6-liter flat four, made it to a 4-speed manual, and nearly $8,000 has been poured into making it sing like new. Matching numbers? Absolutely. Original wheels? Included. Authenticity? Off the charts. When it was new in 1964, this icon cost just $4,200. Today, the best examples hit $100,000 or more, and the market for air-cooled Porsches still climbing, still hot, still unstoppable. This isn't just a car, it's an investment you can drive, a machine that'll outlive us all while looking like a jewel on the open road. So here's the real question. If you had the chance, would you place the winning bid or would you watch history slip away?